Welcome to BuckeyeCam X-Series Network Manager software tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to use the X-Series Network Manager software to set up audio alerts for devices on your network. This will include setting up a device using the standard pre-installed sound files. Another useful feature of the X-Series Network Manager software is the audio alert feature. Using audio alerts enables you to play a sound when devices on the network are activated. To set this up, click on the menu button in the upper right-hand corner of the software window. Click on Notifications, go to Audio Alerts, and click the Edit button. By default, the Audio Alerts feature is disabled in the X-Series Network Manager software. To enable audio alerts, click the Enable toggle button. This will display all of the devices on your network. By default, all of the devices on the network will be set to off. If you'd like a device to play a sound, click on the white arrow to the right of that specific device. This will display a listing of default sounds that come preloaded with the X-Series software: bell, digital camera, and film camera. You can preview each of the preloaded sounds by clicking the green arrow to the right of each WAV file. The software also gives you the ability to load a custom WAV file to your system. Select the WAV file you'd like to play when the device is triggered, and then click the back button. You can also dictate a specific time frame that audio alerts will be active. You can do that from this area right here by moving the slider to the desired times. If you'd like to select more devices to play sounds when triggered, you can do that from this screen. If you're done, click the back button and the changes that you've just made will automatically be applied to the software and will begin immediately. And that's all there is to it. This is just another example of how X-Series Network Manager software and X-Series devices can be customized to work for you. For more information or for additional support, visit www.buckeyecam.com.